Let's fill out the Maine dirt bike bill of sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the dirt bike and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the dirt bike, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the dirt bike. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. So you need to put together a dirt bike bill of sale, and let's walk through exactly what goes on it. First, you'll need the seller's information printed clearly on the form. Make sure it's legible because this is a legal document. You'll also include the buyer's information so both parties are properly identified. Next, the purchase price needs to be listed. Write in the exact amount agreed upon for the sale. You'll also need to disclose the mileage on the dirt bike, so have that odometer reading ready before you sit down to fill this out. Now here's an important one. The bill of sale must confirm that the vehicle is free from any liens or encumbrances. That means the seller is confirming there are no outstanding loans or claims against the bike. And finally, both the seller and the buyer must sign the bill of sale. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.